Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a poll on Discord. So let's get into the video. So open up Discord. So firstly open up Discord and log into your Discord account. So once you've launched your Discord here, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to the place like wherever you want to create a poll on the, just open up the chat where you want to create a poll. So for example here, so I'm going to go on this chat here. So what you're going to do, hit on this plus icon here, click on plus, and then there is an option called create poll. Click on create poll, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to type in the question or whatever the statement that you want to ask as a poll. Okay, and then you can fill that in here, and then the answers you can type it here. So whatever the options that you're going to give, you can type it here, and you can add more if you want, and then you can set the duration, so how long you want this poll to be active. And then once you have set all this, all you have to do is hit on this post option here. So when you post the option, so when you hit on post, then this poll will be posted on this chat here, and then people will be able to share their vote, do their voting and stuff for it. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to create a poll on Discord. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.